Nigerian singer, songwriter, performer and record producer Damini Eboluwa-Ogulu, MFR, known professionally as Burna Boy, has once again gone viral on social media in association with football. Burna Boy recently linked up with Real Madrid stars Vinicius Jr., Eduardo Camavinga, Antonio Rudiger, Tchouaméni, David Alaba, and Ferland Mendy in Paris. The stars enjoyed dinner together at a restaurant in Paris, with Burna Boy later gifted signed jerseys by Vinicius Jr. after the link-up. The video of Burna Boy and the Real Madrid players in Paris comes in a setting where there was food and good vibes. In the video, Burna Boy assisted Real Madrid defender Rudiger to wear his Odogu chain, as he also presented to Arsenal legend Thierry Henry in the Champions League final. Vinicius then gave Burna Boy his autographed jersey with a statement that said, "To the legend Big 7, Burna Boy." However, Burna Boy is set to take the stage for a performance at the Stade France later this year. Stay tuned to NaijaNewsTV for more news updates and exclusive videos.